to avoid that, before you make an offer, go to the FEMA Flood Map Center online. It's free. Type in your address and it's going to tell you your flood zone. Number 2, once you know your flood zone, call your insurance agent and get a real quote before you make an offer on your home. Factor that into your monthly budget so there are no surprises. And number 3, if you're looking at high-risk flood zones, make sure you're comfortable with that added cost before you fall in love with the house. Because guys, flood insurance can get expensive, but in general, it's not too bad. So it's about being a wise steward, knowing what you're getting into before you sign on the dotted line.